My name is Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today, I am here to share a What I Eat in a Day, Day in a Life weekend edition. It's been a minute since I've shared my weekend meals with you, and I joined a challenge on WW where I'm supposed to track all my meals for both days, and then if I meet the challenge, I don't know if I get anything or not. I couldn't tell, but I just thought it sounded fun and it was a good challenge. So you guys are gonna hold me accountable today. Plans for today, Ava. What do we have? She doesn't remember. Steve?
I think we're gonna go and get you some coffee.
Yeah. Yep. Saturday morning, so I get my 5 Lakes coffee. I will show you guys the drink when I get there. Then we have a few things I want to look for at Dollar Tree, and then we're going to stop and pick out or try and find the perfect outfit for Ava's school pictures on Tuesday. Right, Ava? Alright, so if she decides on something, you'll be seeing a picture or a video of that later too. And depending on whether or not I find what I'm looking for at Dollar Tree, you'll get to see that too. But anyways, I don't want to keep you too long here because I know it's noisy. We have lovely gravel roads out here between all these cornfields. So I will talk to you guys in a bit. Bye. Okay friends, got my drink. This is an extra large London Fog Latte from 5 Lakes Coffee. Is it a coffee company? Is that what it is?
Yeah, coffee.
So what it is 2 bags of Earl Grey tea. I'm sure it's got water in it. And then I get it with almond milk and sugar-free vanilla syrup. I don't know how much almond milk they use, so I take the 1 point, which would be an entire cup of almond milk. I'm sure they don't use that much, but that's the only point that I get for this entire thing. So 1 point for a fantastic iced London Fog Latte from 5 Lakes. I'll take it. Ava, you want to tell them what you got? Show them. She got a banana bomb. And how many points is that? As many as it takes, right? All right, guys. We are off to the Dollar Tree as soon as we get out of all these potholes. We're not having good luck with roads today.
It's Indiana. What do you expect?
It's the driver is what it is. But anyways, he heard me. I'll be back in a little bit. Bye, guys. Well, first Dollar Tree was a bust. I'm sure you guys want to see my forehead. But I did find a few things I'm going to show you guys later. I bought a snack because I'm hungry. I haven't had breakfast yet, and it's like 11:30. So I got these Snyder's sourdough nibblers. I can have 16 of these for 3 points. And then this will fill me up until I decide what I want for lunch. See you later. We decided to stop at Panera. I got the Panera bread, strawberry poppy seed salad with chicken, and then the fat-free dressing for 4 points. And I do earn some points back for the vegetables. And then I ate my Panera bread French baguette for 4 points. You guys, I lost my footage. I did a little cook with me for you guys, and it's all gone. So now you have to stare at these darn pictures. Here I am making some crock pot chipotle orange chicken. It is just 2 pounds of chicken breast with a half a cup of the low sodium chicken broth, a half a cup of orange juice. I chose the Tropicana 50, but you can use any kind you want. I put in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and then 3 tablespoons of the Fresco orange chipotle spice that we got from the farmer's market last weekend. So sort of random here. I just got the weirdest craving for olives. No, I'm not pregnant. I just saw them in the refrigerator and decided I had to have them. So I am having, what, is there 5 in here? Yes, 5 olives for 1 point. Okay, who's ready to see what I got at the Dollar Tree? We ended up going to 5, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different Dollar Trees before I found what I was looking for. I have seen so many other YouTubers and friends get these, and I've seen them all over Facebook, and oh, I've been wanting them for so long. So now I have some, and I'm happy. Before we get to those, though, I'm going to show you my other finds, because you know you can't go into the Dollar Tree without getting something. So I needed a calendar for work. Just something small because I do share an area with my coworkers, but something small to write my task on so I can remember what I'm doing from day to day. So I got this cute little desk calendar. It opens up in the back like this so I can set it on my desk when I'm working, and then I can just fold it up like that and put it in the drawers when my coworkers are there. And I wanted to check to see if all the pages were the same as far as the design goes, and they are, but for $1.25, I don't mind. This will be perfect. And then I needed to get a couple more wall calendars because I wanted to use the pictures for decorations around the house. So the first one I got is the Home 2023 Farmhouse Calendar. And I'm not quite sure how I want to do these. I've seen people make things with the pictures, and then I've seen people just kind of put them in a frame and they can change them throughout the seasons. So good things come to those who bake is the first page. Second page. This would be really good for my summer designs because I do like a seashell thing. Or like an ocean theme in my living room for summertime, and that would match the color theme. Here's for February. Our happy place. Gather. Eat well and travel often. I would love to travel. Where do you want to go? Ooh, I like this one. America the Beautiful for July. I love the classic look of that. That is awesome. Farmer's Market, fresh eggs, fruit, and veggies. Adorable. I kind of have a rooster theme out in my breezeway where our dining room table is. That'd be kind of cool. Good things come to those who bake. So I guess I showed you that first one too soon. I guess it was just the inside of the cover. Yeah, yeah. So that is actually supposed to be for the month of September. Jen's still learning how to use calendars. Oh, I love this one. Boo, y'all. That's cute for Halloween. See, I can make all kinds of cute stuff with this. Thankful, grateful, and blessed. I was really surprised I found these, let alone 2 different farmhouse calendars. Just a little hint of what I have coming next. I never find these, ever. And then, of course, Merry Christmas. Which is cute. And I like it. But check out this one. This is the Farmer's Market 2023 12-month calendar. Guys, these pictures are so cute. So cute. We'll just start with January this time. It says, garden rules, plant seeds, pull weeds, and grow a happy life. Isn't that cute? Again, that could go like on the back patio or something. So cute. Okay. Then we have garden. This one says the herb garden. These are so cute. I could put these in my office, like around my little plants and stuff I have sitting over here. Fresh lemons. Can you see that? Gosh, the lighting might not be very good here, guys. Sorry. Locally grown, you pick berry patch. Open daily. I love the buffalo plaid down here. Love it. Oh, this is so cute. Land of the free. I could almost just make 2 frames and hang one for each season. Or hang 2 for each season in the living room or something. They're so cute. Sweet as a peach. Our happy place. The infamous sunflowers. Can't go wrong with that. Fresh carrots. I like that. That would be really fun in the kitchen. And then season's greetings, and you guys know I am absolutely obsessed with the red trucks. I love them. Red trucks and blue trucks. I have them back here on my shelf. Steve made me those, so yeah, a little obsessed. Now, let me show you what I found. The whole reason I went on this hunt. These, guys, are ceramic mini bread pans. Are they not the cutest? And they're really ceramic, and they were only $1.25. These are perfect for portions. There are so many recipes you can make with these. I will link Dee's channel down below. Her channel is called Dish with Dee. She is the queen of mini loaves. Let me show you what I got. This one says gather. There were 4 different ones, and it kind of dawned on me afterwards. I probably should have gotten 6, one for each person in the family. That way we can make our own. But that's okay. I like the ones I got. Fresh picked apples. And guys, it's my red truck with the blue basket. And then this one says, fall is my favorite color. And the last one is just a cute little fall one that says grateful. These are so cute, and the quality, guys, I can't wait to use these. I'm actually going to make a breakfast with them tomorrow as like an omelet, like a Denver omelet in a dish. Or I was even thinking like maybe some kind of play on French toast. Or I have 4. I could do both. I don't know. Oh, endless possibilities. I'm so excited to finally have those. And I'm wondering now if they're going to have them for every season. Like, do I need to be like stocking up on my little mini loaf pans? I feel like I need to. So I'm excited to see what the Christmas holiday brings as far as those go. And I have 2 more things I want to show you. Ava needed a jacket, like a jean jacket for school pictures on Tuesday, which I think I told you we were looking for. So we went to Goodwill just to see if we could find anything. And I found some stuff that I'm really excited about. Let me grab them. Okay, the first thing I got is this popcorn maker. Guys, like Walmart has little ones, but this one is stinking huge. So you put the popcorn kernels in there. I think this is for seasoning or oil. I'll have to Google the instructions. And you put this in your microwave, and it makes a great big huge thing of popcorn. And this was $2.99. They're like $10 at Walmart, and they're not even half that size. I was very excited to find that because I don't know if you guys remember, but I have that silicone Weight Watchers one, and my dog ate the lid to it. So yes, I could spend $15 and buy a new one, but when I saw that for $2, I had to give it a try. The next thing I found was for Ava. This is $2.99. Can you see the pattern on that? It's a Tervis cup. And she's allowed to take water bottles to school. Here's what the inside looks like. And then she can just put her straw in here. Of course, I have to wash it really, really good. It's a double insulated cup, so it keeps your drinks cold or warm for a very long time. And yes, I had to smell it. It looked like it was a little stained or something, but it's just a sticker, so yeah. But regardless, we will be soaking this in hot water for a very, very long time. And then the last thing that I found, guys, you'll appreciate this. I was so excited. I finally got myself one of the personal points cookbooks for Weight Watchers. I love WW cookbooks, and I think, isn't this the one that they just came out with when they started the personal points plan? I don't have this one yet. I kind of, when personal points came out, is kind of when I fell off the wagon and lost interest. Not lost interest, I guess I lost my motivation to track. But now that I'm getting back on track, I'm so excited to have this, and it's the personal points. See? And it's the real WW. I mean, and it's in good shape too. I don't even think it's been opened. There's no creases on the seams or anything. So someone must have joined WW and changed their mind right away. I don't know, but anyways, I'm so excited to have all this stuff. Like a kid in a sugar-free candy store. But yeah, that's what I got. I need to go check on my dinner. I'm getting a little hungry and it's starting to smell so good. So I will see you guys in a few minutes. Bye. Okay guys, I am ready to eat. It actually only took about 2.5 hours. This is what it looks like. I used a hand mixer to mix it up really good. I was kind of hoping it'd turn out redder than this, but oh boy, look, I'm fogging up. I'm not too disappointed. I am going to be putting mine on these Extreme Wellness wraps. This is the spinach and herbs. I'll probably be putting about a tablespoon of Velveeta shreds on top. And then I have some of this partially freeze-dried cilantro that I'm going to sprinkle on it as well. I don't know point values. I honestly have not put this into my tracker yet or my recipe builder. So I don't know how many points it is, but I know I'm going to be fine point-wise because it's all low points. So anywho, I will figure out point values. I'll take a picture of my wrap and I will put the point values down at the bottom of the screen. Alright, guys, here I am at the end of my day. I have had another really low point day. I promise I don't eat like this all the time. I think the last 2 what I eat in a day have been so low. So I am closing out my day with a special treat. This is red velvet cake with homemade, what is it, buttercream frosting on top of it. I've just got a little bowl of it here. Ava made this. I don't know how many points it is, so I'm going to count it as 10 points just to make sure I'm counting the right amount. And I don't think, it's such a small amount, I don't think it would be more than that. So let me go over my point totals for today with you, and you'll see why I feel safe in eating this. So, as you know, I did not have breakfast. I had those little pretzel bites, and that was kind of my breakfast. So, I ate a total of 20 points today. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, which means I had 18 points left. So if I count 10 points for this, I still have 8 points left. So technically I have 18 points I can eat. And I don't think that this little bowl is going to be worth 18 points. I mean, who knows? It is me. It could be, but I've also got like 20 weeklies left. I had a bit of a stomach ache at one point this week, and I think in one day I consumed like 7 points because I didn't feel good and I didn't eat much. So I just maintained on protein bars and bananas, and that's how I got through my day. So yeah, I've got a lot of weeklies left too, but I guess maybe I feel a little guilty that I'm eating a bowl of something that looks so stinking good. Maybe it doesn't. It doesn't look. Ava made that by hand. Homemade buttercream frosting and then red velvet cake. So the red velvet cake, it kind of broke up in the pan. I don't know if she didn't spray it or what, but we kind of turned it into a dump cake situation. And yeah, so anyways, I guess maybe I feel a little guilty for eating such a sweet treat, but like I said, I've got the points to cover it. That's one of the things that we love about Weight Watchers, right? We can fit whatever we want to in it. So anyways, I am going to close out my video. I feel like I had a good day. I feel like I got some stuff done, working on editing some videos for next week, and then I've been working on finding some recipes for 2 collaborations I'm going to be in here pretty soon, one in September and one in October. So looking through my new cookbook and my old cookbooks, finding the most exciting recipes to share with you guys. And it looks like my video is done uploading. Imagine that. So sorry, squirrel, and I'm tired. So anyways, my plan for the rest of the night, I'm going to eat this cake. I'm going to finish my last cup of coffee because it is Saturday and I can have caffeine past 8 o'clock at night. I'm allowed. And then I'm going to watch some YouTube, which is another reason it's okay for me to have coffee past 8, because once I get into my YouTube videos, I am up late. Late. But so yeah, that's my day. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. How was your day? Let me know. I love chit-chatting with you guys. Thank you all so very much again for watching. If you haven't already, if you do the whole thumbs up and subscribe thing, that would be fantastical wonderfulness. Fantastical wonderfulness. Yes. Anyways, guys, I appreciate you. I love every single one of you. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye.